Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrap and Happy. I want to show you just really quick my newest little book. I made a grandmother's baby book for a friend of mine who has got 3 little grandchildren, and they are a mess, a handful. She's just as happy as she can be, chasing them around and loving life. So I wanted to put this together for her, and I'd never done one. I've been really nervous to do one, but it really was easy. I followed Gayle Agostinelli's videos, I guess, on how to make the pages where you don't have to cut them to fit, because when you take off the spine of the book cover, then your pages are too long. So anyway, it's very easy, and I'm here to tell you that if I can do it, anybody can do it. But look at this. This is so cute. The side, I cheated. I put the fabric, I sewed the buttons onto the fabric, and then I glued the fabric onto the book. And I had already put my signatures in. So I didn't try to sew my signatures in and thread the buttons. I've done that before, and it was successful, but it was really hard, and I don't think I ever want to do that again. So yeah, I cheated, and it works just fine. So anyway, this is just a really quick little flip through. I left the insides front and back just because authentic. And this book was born the same year I was, and I'm not going to tell you what year that was, but it's not in the public domain, just in case you're wondering. Anyway, here's I did some fabric pockets and some paper pockets and some tags and journaling cards and just cuties. And 2 of her grandkids are boys and 1 is a girl. And there's some coloring book pages. Plenty of room for the kids to color and draw if she wants to let them do that. I'm going to pocket for, whatever she wants to put back there. And some little Disney Trivial Pursuit cards. Some tickets. This has a pocket on the back. And this, you'll see it on the other side. The words that I picked, certain words, and then highlighted them. I didn't want to add more, like put stickers, or not stickers, but like embellishments on it, because I didn't want to make it hard if the kids were trying to color pictures in here. So I just highlighted it with some, what are those things? Gelatos. Yeah. And here is a, flashcard. And then a little index card. Alright, here, you can see it's just real faintly highlighted. It's called Family. Yeah, that's the only one on that page that worked. The next page, I got several out of it. Several words happened to be where I could use them. And I thought this was cute. I don't know if you can tell, but these are little tiny buttons up top with polka dots on them, and there's a couple of solid ones. I thought that was cute. And I think the kids are big enough not to pick those off and eat them, but I will tell her for sure that they're just glued on. And here's one of those. Is it Honolulu? I think it is. Honolulu tags. Then a paper that's folded, kind of like an envelope, and it just opens up for journaling or drawing or whatever. Another polka dotted page. Some more Disney Trivial Pursuit cards. More cute tickets, and then Georgie Porgy. The little girl's crying, and that one, it's just so cute. Anyway, over here is some leftover out of it's called a glam paper pack, and this was a lipstick page. So I just thought, I was so glad I had that little piece left, and it just is perfect there. And then this other encyclopedia, what's a dictionary? I can't remember. Anyway, granddad, granddaddy, granddaughter, grandfather, grandma, grandmother, grandson. Lots of good words that fit on that page. And this is just a big pocket made out of, I got this paper a long time ago. It's a pad in this shape and size at Dollar Tree. And it's just full of pages of blue jean paper. Or denim, I guess. But it's just so cute. And I cut this out of something. I want to say it was the Ethel's Farm from Lindsay Zenor, that page I didn't use, and cut it out, and it just says breakfast with the chicks. I thought that was cute. I didn't go crazy with embellishing because of the kids. I mean, they're all 3 and under. So I didn't want there to be a lot of dangerous items. And I'm sure she won't let them have it if they're the type to peel and eat things. So she may just get to enjoy it for a while by herself. A little boy flu. I was going through these little nursery rhymes, and I remember these. And I taught them to my kids too. Anyway, that is it. I just wanted to show you real quick, and thanks for watching.